In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy BTC on PrimeXBT. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open PrimeXBT application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to buy the BTC, what you have to do is go to the markets interface. Tap on the markets option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the markets interface. You'll be able to see various assets over here. What you have to do is find the option for BTC and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the BTC interface. Make sure trade option is selected. Now over here, you'll also be able to see the chart. Analyze the chart very carefully. So if you want to buy the BTC, tap on the option buy that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll have to enter the amount of BTC that you would like to buy. Tap on the field of amount. Now what you have to do is simply enter the amount over here. After you do that, you'll also be able to see the order value, margin required and margin available. If you want to place the take profit or stop loss point, you can also do it. For that, what you have to do is tap on this option, place take profit or stop loss. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to enter the take profit and stop loss point over here. After you're done, what you have to do is simply tap on this option buy market that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the order has been filled. Now after the transaction has been completed, the BTC will be deposited to your account. So that is how you buy BTC on PrimeXBT. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.